Dartmouth is known as the City of Lakes, and we really just wanted something that kind of encapsulated that. We're very well known for our apples in Nova Scotia. Where's the cider that represents the high quality of fruit? I just saw that niche. I thought, well, if I see a niche, maybe other people are feeling that too. My name is Po Kamo. I'm the owner and operator of Lake City Cider in downtown Dartmouth. Nova Scotia has quite a variety of apples, but we love Cortlands and Macs, Johanna Golds, Northern Spies. Gravenstein is one of my personal favorites.
We just had 2 ciders in the very beginning, our Dark Side Dry and our 9/4 Original. From there, we developed our canned product. That's our crisp apple. Those ones we have in the NSLC, and that's probably about 80 to 90% of what our bar and restaurant accounts take. Then from there, that's when we get into doing all the really fun blends and different fruits.
We focus on cold fermentation, so we have jacketed stainless steel tanks. Stainless steel offers no flavor, so it's about just making sure that your ferments stay below 15 degrees, and then you just maintain better esters and flavors. In that sense, you kind of offer a better mouthfeel. It's all about seeking those textures that are already kind of there, but pulling them out of the natural fruit.
A big key is innovation. You have to always be doing something new and working on some new products. We've been able to do that where we don't just do cider, we do a lot of blends with different things as well. Like we got into the seltzer game, got into the wine game.
When we look at the process of making cider, it's very similar to making wine. We work with a few wineries out of Ontario, and then we get fruits, like whole fruit clusters from California, and bring those in and ferment those. And it's really fun to see where cider can go, how far the pendulum can swing with the different styles and the different types of flavors that you can kind of infuse together. And obviously look out for non-alcoholic cider. We definitely see that there's a niche there that we should also have a non-alcoholic offering. Been requested a lot, and that's where we're going.
Something that we have done really well as a business is growing at the right pace and not trying to do everything all at once. So I think now we've started to expand in other provinces. I think our big goal is now to get into the LCBO in Ontario. That's a huge market, so we'd love to do that. But yeah, eventually, yes, we want it worldwide.